Hello everyone, thank you for being here today. And so I see some of you bring your friends and family, right?
Yes.
So just before I started, may I ask you a question? Like, have you ever looked at the one you loved and think of one day if he or she can no longer be with you anymore? So it could be anything, like bad things happen. You never know. It's quite a scary thing to think about, right? So today I'll tell you about my story, because people say that till you lose somebody, you won't know how to feel. I had a brother. He's the youngest one in the family. And you know about the youngest one gets on the love things, right? Yeah, I love her. I love him too. I just barely say it. And so one day he got sick. The doctor said that he got a brain tumor. It's a kind of cancer. I was a kid then. To me, the concept of dying is things that you only see in movies. He'll be fine. They need to do a surgery to cut it out. I think to myself that he'll be fine. I hope so, because people cannot just simply dead, I think. But he didn't make it. I cried myself to sleep every night, thinking that maybe this was just a nightmare. Maybe I'll wake up in the morning and I can hear his voice again. You know, it's never happened. That's the thing that I regret the most, is that I've never tell him how much I love him. There's another story of my friend. She works in the hospital. And there's a patient who has Alzheimer. You know Alzheimer? Yes. Her family member didn't get along well, so they don't talk to each other much. And her condition is getting worse day by day. She's forgetting things until one day that she cannot recognize her son anymore. You know, it's not always about death that when you lose someone. This can be a disease, an uncured disease. And that's when you know it's too late. So, by telling you this story, I want to ask you, when is the last time that you called your mom to say that you love her? When is the last time that you say thank you to your father? By telling you my story, I just want to notice you that remember to say I love you more often, since you never know when is the last time. Thank you.
Great.